Do you know what is the best way to complete your syllabus in one day before the exam? So today's video is of this topic. Let's get started. If you are studying one day before then, it is very necessary to be focused. That's why the first point is find quiet place, and it is important because your mind should be relaxed and calm, which is required throughout the preparation. It helps to grab the information as fast as you could. The second point is remove distractions. Many distractions will distract you, like it may Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, or any shopping site, or any game, whatever it may be. So, to be focused, we need to remove all distractions, and you can give it your mobile to your parents till the preparation is done. Now, the third point is analyze your syllabus. You try to know which topics has more marks and through which you can spend a more time in it, and also go through the chapters in which you are comfortable. Fourth point is prepare a study plan. Yes, you should prepare a study plan and decide the limited time which you are going to give a certain lesson. And don't make complex study plans. Make it as simple such that you feel free and motivated to follow your plan. Today's fifth point is don't drink any tea or coffee late at night. But if you feel sleepy, then have a coffee. Will make you feel energized and prevent you from sleeping. Sixth point is less is more. Yeah, less is more. Intention we try to learn everything to cover whole syllabus and get to know all of that. But remember, at this time you cannot learn all chapters. So just understand the concepts, revise the formulas and all of that. You will have to skip some portion, but you must have a little bit of knowledge of the topic also. Now comes the weapon point 7, which is previous year's paper. These papers are really going to help you in understanding about what to expect in exam and what not. It also boosts you to make a proper study plan and helps your subconscious mind to work in that direction. So never miss the point. And eighth point is sleep for 4 to 5 hours. See, everyone thinks that they will study whole night and will give exam without any tiredness. But it is wrong because your mind need rest and by sleeping you are providing it. If you keep working whole night, then your brain won't work effectively. So try to have a sleep of at least 4 to 5 hours before exam so that you do not feel sleepy or tiredness in examination hall. Ninth point is believe in yourself. First of all, we all get panic by seeing the syllabus and lack of time itself. Thus, you shouldn't do all that. Have a faith, have a belief in you. Tell yourself you can do it. If not full, then maximum, but you will do it. Don't lose hope and always believe in yourself. And the last point is answer those questions first in which you are confident. Never look for hard ones. You go for answers which you know because this will increase the effectiveness of your brain and sooner you will recall all the answers, points, theory, or whatever you have read for your exam. So, this was all 10 points. Follow it and you will see these great results. And don't forget to thank me in the comment section. Best of luck for your exams.